Show me. What's gonna look? What is this?
Cow.
What is it?
Cow.
No, what's this? Connor, what's this? Connor, what's this?
Babashi.
Babashi, what does the sheep say?
Ba.
That's right. What's this?
Queen.
What does the pig say? Hey, Connor, what's this?
Bye.
That's right, that's a robot. That is very good word, Connor. You want it? Hey, Connor, you want it right here? Connor, what is it?
What here?
Right here. Connor, what is this?
What here?
No, what is it?
Bye.
That's right. Say it again. What is this?
Beep.
Oh, that's hilarious. Who teaches you that? That's hilarious. The beep, 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 like that. That's what the robot says. Beep, 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 beep.
Bye.
Like, what is this?
Bye.
That's such a good word, buddy. What does a robot say?
Here.
That's his hand.
Beep. Here.
What does a robot say? Is that what it says? Connor, can you tell me just one more time? What is this?
Bye.
Aw, I love when you say that. What a good word. Can you say hello to mommy?
Hi, Mama.
No, over here. Can you look in the camera and say hi, mom?
Hi, Mama.
Can you send a kiss to mama? Over here. Look over here. Can you send a kiss to mommy? Ah. Hey, Connor, and where is mama's baby? No, where is mama's baby?
Mama, baby.
Where? Show me. In the belly. That's right. Can you say hi to baby Logan?
Hi, Mama.
Connor, look. Can you say hi, baby Logan?
Hi. Mama.
That's a good word. Come over here. Come here. Connor, can you say hi, baby Logan? Connor, and can you say, Logan, come out.
Hang out.
The baby, come out.
Hang out.
So we are ready. Connor, can you send a kiss up to baby Logan? And can baby Logan play with your toys?
Okay.
Yeah, are you gonna share your toys? Connor, are you gonna share your toys with baby Logan? Are you gonna share your robot? In his own little world. Connor, look. Connor, are you gonna share your toys with baby Logan? Are you gonna share your robot?
Bye.
Yeah, I know you will. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Can you sing kisses? I'd say, baby Logan, come out. You're just way too busy, huh? So busy.
Baby out.
The baby out. You're so sweet. Did you tell baby Logan to come out? He's still in mama's belly, huh? Look at you playing so nicely with cars. Hey, Connor, do you know what color is robot? No, what color? Look. Yeah. What color is robot?
Blue.
Blue, that's right, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Connor, What color is the sheep?
White.
That's right. Do you know what color is the piggy?
Red.
Well, it's almost like a red, but added a little white to it. It's actually pink. Can you say pink?
Red.
No, robot's not red. What color is robot? That's right, blue. What color is your t-shirt over here?
Red.
No, what color is this?
Blue.
It's blue like a robot. That's right. Hey, Connor, and do you know what color is your truck?
Blue.
No. Well, that is a blue. That's right. Look, that is a blue over here. And what color is this one?
Red.
No. This one is green.
Blue. Red.
Now, what color? Let me see. Oh, well, let's see. What color is this one?
Green.
No, you know that color, actually. What color is
Red.
this? It's purple.
Purple.
Purple. Well, Connor, what color is your fire truck?
Red.
That's right. High five, dude. That's right. We are making a really long video, buddy. I'm going to send it to Mommy and Grandparents. Is the car going in the garage?
Good. What you?
Right there.
What you?
Right there. Alright, Connor, are we done with the video? I'm going to say bye, everybody. Connor, can you say bye, guys?
Bye.
And send kisses to everybody. One more. Ah.
Go. Water.